Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 1.3 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's find the option security. Now let's tap on encryption and credentials, and as you can see at the very bottom of the list we've got the clear credentials option. So let's tap on it simply. Your device will ask you if you really want to remove all the contents, so let's tap on OK. Here we have to confirm it with the pattern if you have one, of course, and as you can see we had the information that the credential storage has been erased successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to remove credentials in your SONY Xperia 1.3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.